Today's lesson is simplifying expressions. Our goal is that we can combine like terms and simplify expressions. Vocabulary. Use the expression 3x plus 4y plus 6x plus 8 to help simplify or help define a vocabulary. Terms are numbers, variables, or products of a number and variable. What are the terms of the above expression? Well, in this case, it's the 3x. Whoa. Hold on. It's the 3x, the 4y, the 6x, and the 8. Like terms. These are the terms that have identical variable parts. I forgot to say this at the beginning. Of course, you guys know. Pause it to write down the things that you need to get down. Make note of any question. You can always rewind and go back and listen to anything else. And if you want, put a question mark in the margin so that I can see if there's something you have a question on. I'll see it when I come around and check your notes next time I see you. So anyway, what are the like terms in the above expression? So we look at the like terms. These are going to, it says this with identical variable parts. So the identical variable parts would be the 3x and the 6x because they both have the x variable. Coefficient is a number that multiplies a variable. What are the coefficients in the above expression? They are the 3, the 4, and the 6. 8 is not a coefficient because it is not part of a variable term. Next, we have a constant. This is a term that is just a number, no variable. So hopefully you have that down because we just talked about it. That is 8. All right. So now we're combining like terms. We're going to simplify the expression 4x plus 6 plus 3y plus 19x minus 2y plus 9. We're going to identify our like terms. So I always like to do this in different colors. And in this case, I do my colors that match. 4x, 19x are the same. And 3y minus 2y. The minus goes in front of it because we could rewrite that as plus negative, remember? From our integer unit. And then we've got the 6 and the 9. Okay? So if we're identifying, we've got 4x, and I think that's my next. Okay, so we'll write them together. 4x plus 19x plus 3y. I kind of like, especially when we're starting out, to write them together, just so we get in the habit of seeing them. Okay, so now we're going to simplify them, or we're going to combine them, sorry. 4x plus 19x, sorry. So we got 4x plus 19x gives us 23, bad 3, 23x plus 3y minus 2y gives us 1y plus 6 plus 9 gives us 15. Apparently, I kind of sped things up somehow, because that's rewriting the expression with all the things combined. I think I did, I don't know how I did things, but anyway, we've done it all. All right, now we're going to simplify our expressions. Okay, again, it's helpful, I think, to go through and identify. We've got 7c minus 3c plus 9. 7c minus 3c is 4c minus 9. I cannot combine 4c and 9 because c does not have the variable term. So I am complete. All right, next one. I've got x minus 2x plus 4 minus 10. X minus 2x gives me a negative x, or we can write this as negative 1x. Whichever way you're more comfortable, they mean the same thing. 4 minus 10 gives me a negative 6, so either way is right. Those are both correct. Okay? All right, our last one. 5w plus w minus 20 plus 8. So keep in mind, this is the same as plus negative 20, right? So 5w plus w is 6w. Negative 20 plus 8 gives us negative 16. All right. Now last, just like last lesson, you're matching up your expressions over here on the right side of the screen would get matched up with the simplified expressions. So 2x plus 9. Oh boy, this might take me too long to find it. Oh, here it is. Okay, so this one right here, 2x and then 3 plus 6. So that one would go here. So instead of dragging them over, which you guys cannot do, you're going to just draw lines like last time. Now you guys need to pause it and draw all your lines, and yours of course doesn't match mine because every time I restart my program it resets itself. But anyway, so you guys are going to draw your lines, match them up, and then once you're finished, you're going to unpause it and check it against my screen. And here it is. All right, so if you have questions, again, bring them to me in class. I hope you enjoyed our lesson today, and then I'll see you next time.